After staying in a cool RV, the next place I'm gonna take you to the beautiful cabin in perfect location, which is 10 minutes from Mineral del Chico and around 20 minutes from Real del Monte. It's woods around so you can connect with the nature. It's totally hidden gem. You get an amazing time, you get cozy place, you get pleasant. The tiny greenhouse. It's square house design with red brick facades, modern windows and glass doors. The place is pretty safe and inside a secure property. It rents for 75 USD per night, sleeps up to 4 guests. It has 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Finally, I arrived and look, it's pretty on the outside and I'm so excited to get inside. Let's go. Oh my god, this is incredible! It's an open space, but you have a living room with sofa bed, blanket, TV, so cozy. Fireplace, they provide the firewood as well, where you'll see there are 2 loads of firewood. There is a dining room with 1 table and 4 chairs. Kitchen. They do a lot in a little space, and in the kitchen you can cook here because the utilities are complete. There's a fridge, microwave, and there's a coffee maker, and this is my stuff, Indomie. You know what I mean, right? I always bring you wherever I am. And this is the bathroom. So it has a shower on the right side and a toilet on the left one. The bathroom is quite big. Okay, let's take a look at the bathroom on the 2nd floor. It's really beautiful. Okay, this is the bedroom. And the bed is so yes, it's so comfy. And look, there is a window on the ceiling. We can see the trees and the sky. And I'm gonna take you to the place where you can chill or enjoy your coffee. Ta-da! Patio! It's small, but I think it's really cozy. There's table, chairs, and you can barbecue here because there is a tiny grill and its utilities. And you know, this house is surrounded by forests and trees, so it's really cold. So there is no food store or restaurant nearby, so you have to bring your food stock for your meal, and there is no drinking water as well. You have to bring your water. So you have to put this house in your list to stay when you are in Mineral del Chico. It's highly recommended. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you at the next video. Ciao!